Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0116 Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor 1 Circuit Range Performance Code. If you're getting P0116, it means that you either got a connector issue, you got a wire issue, or you have a faulty coolant temperature sensor. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to test for a bad engine coolant temperature sensor by using a multimeter, using jumper wires, and using some sort of heat source. And also, I'm going to tell you guys some of the common causes and the symptoms of this code. This part here is a engine coolant temperature sensor, and it is going to be mounted somewhere on the cooling system. You can find it on the cylinder head. You can find it directly on the thermostat housing, and sometimes you can even find it on the radiator. Before you do anything, I always check the connector. Make sure the connector is not soaked in engine oil. Make sure that the wires are not broken, because if the wires is broken and there's an open and the two wires are touching each other, it can cause a short. Now I'm going to show you guys how to test for a bad engine coolant temperature sensor. First, take your multimeter and set it to ohms. Set it to 20K. Next, take the test lead and connect it to the jumper wires. Then take the jumper wires and connect it straight to the engine coolant temperature sensor. Now the engine coolant temperature sensor, it is a negative temperature coefficient thermistor. It means that when the temperature starts to increase, the resistance will start to decrease. So when you start your vehicle at cold start, the resistance should be high. And when engines start to warm up, the resistance should be low. To test the engine coolant temperature sensor, it is best to dip the sensor in hot water. But since this is just a demonstration video, I'm going to use a heat source, and I am going to use a lighter. So let's heat up the sensor, and you're going to see that the resistance will start to drop rapidly. As you can see, the sensor, it is working properly because the resistance is starting to drop. When the engine coolant temperature sensor is faulty, or there's a connection issue, or there's an open wire, you're going to notice that the engine will start to overheat. Because if the engine coolant temperature sensor is faulty or the wire is broken, it cannot send a signal to the engine control module or the computer, and the computer cannot tell the radiator fan to turn on when the engine starts to overheat. However, if the engine coolant temperature sensor is barely failing, or let's just say the wire is soaked in engine oil or the connector is soaked in engine oil, it can send poor signal to the computer. And this can cause harsh starts, this can cause poor engine performance, this can cause poor gas mileage, this can cause the engine to run rich, and again, it can cause the radiator fan to not turn on. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.